Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about secant of s equal to 1 over cosine s and cosecant of s equal to 1 over sine s. So this one we need to change by 1 over cosine s in here. This one we change by this one. Next we have the second formula in here. Now I need to change number 1 into this one. So this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. Next, about number 1, that is about this one. So sine s squared divided by sine s squared, cosine s squared divided by cosine s squared. So we have 1 over cosine s squared and 1 over sine s squared. Next, we need to change this one, go back in here. Next, the integration of secant of s squared, we have tan s. The integration of this one, we have negative cotang s, and now we just have this one left. So this one we have secant of s squared and secant of s squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Secant of s squared equals to tan s squared plus 1. So this one we change by this one. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to secant of s squared ds. Next, we need to change this one into u. Secant of s squared ds we change by the u. The integration of u squared, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that is about u, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about tan s. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Tan s, we have 2 tan s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.